Welcome. In front of me is a DOOGEE N30, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through recovery mode and also remove a screen lock if you have one that you just don't know. Now I'll quickly lock the device and you can see I do have a pattern set, and I'm going to progress from here as though I don't know my pattern. So to get started, hold power key and select power off. Once the device turns off, you want to hold power key and volume up, both of them at the same time. This will take you to the boot mode, so from here, using only volume up, you want to select the first option and then press volume down to confirm that option. And this will redirect you to the recovery mode. And from here, you can use both of the volume keys to navigate, as you can see. And you want to select Wipe Data Factory Reset and then confirm it with power key. Select Factory Data Reset. Give it a second. And the process has been completed, so now let's select power key once more to reboot our device. Now it will be rebooting for a little bit longer than it is doing normally. That is because it's going to be continuing the process in the background, so just be patient. Now once the process has been finished, we should be greeted with the Android setup screen, so I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.